YouTube. Hope you're enjoying my VCV Rack series so far. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of little performance ideas for this little patch that we've got going. Let's dive in and have a look. Hope you guys enjoy. So the patch that we've created is a cool little sort of instant dance music sort of patch. There's a lot of variations you can create within this patch, and I'm going to show you a couple of little ideas that you can use for performing this patch that we've got going. So first things first, what I like to do is I like to separate my reverb and send that into a different mixer channel. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to mute certain elements, but the reverb for that element is still going. So one of the built-in modules in VCV Rack is called mutes. And what it allows you to do is send a variety of channels into these inputs, and you've got mute buttons for each of those channels. So let's set up a little bit of a routing that we can perform using these mute switches over here. So let's send our mix output of the reverb into one of these end ones, which we can fill up later. And our main channels would be, for example, like our kick drum. Let's send into the first one, and we can actually send that into the first mixer channel. It's not a biggie. And then let's send our synth voice, not through the reverb, but the dry synth voice into number 2 over here, and then we can send our hi-hats into number 3 over here, and we can actually just put the reverb into number 4 just to make things a little bit easier to, work out when we're performing this little patch that we got. So another little thing I like to do is I like to send my hi-hats into the second input of the spring reverb over here, and we can actually just hide this away because we're not going to use the reverb much. We're just going to trigger it on and off, and vice versa. So let's have a listen to what's going on in this patch so far. Pretty cool, huh? And because we created a sort of master clock that all of the sequences and stuff are running off of, when we start to change the BPM of that clock, we can create sort of varying different genres or different types of beats and stuff just by tweaking what we've already sort of loaded up in our module or in our rack. Cool. That was just a quick one with some ideas for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See you guys next time.